Alrighty fellas, we're back on the Generac. We're gonna fill it up with oil now. Got some new oil to put in it. What I like to do is I like to put a little bit. It's gonna be about I believe it's 1.9 quarts. Either 1.9 or 2.9, but I like to start with one. Get a good bit in there, let it kind of sit for a second, then I'll check my oil level, make sure it's clean, and we're still low. We've already changed the oil filter on this, so it is going to be the 2.9 quarts for this Generac. Almost there. We're going to put a little bit more. Oh yeah, money. That's it. We'll recheck it. Full. Alright, so it's a 2.9. I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit and then I'm gonna recheck it. I got some other stuff to do on it. That is it. Like and sub. Thanks for watching.